Today we're working on 3.6, which deals with perimeter. Excuse me. I guess so. So, this says find the perimeter of the polygon. What does perimeter mean? The length of the outside. So how do we find the perimeter? Add all those up. Okay. So for the second problem, we're only given one length. How do we find the perimeter? It's a square, and because it's a square, we know all four sides are the same. So each one is 23. So you could either add 23 up 4 times, or if you're lazy like me, you just do 4 times 23. And then you need to attach yards to it. Is it going to be yards to the second? I guess I don't know if it will. Yeah, you'd have to adapt it. I don't know that would work. So, for number 3, here we have a rectangle. What do we know about the side lengths of a rectangle? The long sides are equal and the short sides are equal. So this is 7 over 12, and this is 1 3/8. So we have 7 over 12 plus 7 over 12 plus 1 3/8 plus 1 3/8. How are we going to add those together? You need a common denominator. What is the smallest number that 8 and 12 both go into? 24. But we have to do something else first before so I could, how do you turn a mixed number into an improper fraction? So you take the bottom times the side and then you add the top. So 8 plus 3 is 11 over 8. Now, do I really want to multiply that by 3? Because I need to multiply this one by 2, and I need to multiply this one by 2, 2 over 2. But do I really want to multiply that other one by 3? No, so we could just count that as a whole if you wanted to. You could say that it's 3 over 3, but that might make things a little bit more complicated. So we end up with 14 over 24 plus 14 over 24. And then I need to multiply this by 3 over 3. 33 over 24 and 33 over 24. So those two make 66. Those two make 28. So 66 plus 28 is 94. 94 over 24. Not at the moment. My alarm was going off. No. Yeah, I got one yesterday too. Okay. So, how do we want to display our answer? So it says write your answer as a mixed number in simplest form. So how do we turn 94 over 24 into a mixed number? So let's do 94 divided by 24. Oh, sorry. 94 divided by 24. And I get 3.91. Excuse me, guys. So I know the answer is going to be 3 and some amount of 24ths. So I need to do 3 times 24, and I get 72. And then 94 minus 72 is 22. Do you guys understand that? So it's going to be 3 and 22 over 24. So 3 and 22 over 24. Does that simplify? Yes, 3 and 11/12 yards. So that one took a lot of work to find the perimeter. Okay. So we need to find the perimeter of this one, but we're missing the top of that figure. Okay, everybody listen to Monty. So Monty says that this whole distance here is 11. Keep going. That distance, or this distance here, is 7. So the remainder there must be 4. So now that I have that 4, oh, that's it. Okay. Okay. They're different. Okay, so here we do the same thing. So just like Monty said, this distance here is 15, and this distance here is 8, which means that distance must be 7. And now it wants you to find the whole perimeter. So now you can add them all together. Yes, centimeters, not centimeters squared. Okay. So the perimeter here, we could just add them all up. So one way to represent the perimeter would just be 9 plus 3x plus 6 plus 9x plus 5. But we could also simplify that into 9 and 6 would be 15 plus 5 is 20. And then 3x and 9x would be 12x. Okay? All right, so this one we need to draw our own figure. So a wire is bent into the shape of a rectangle, and that rectangle has a width of 4 and a length of 8. And then the wire is bent and reshaped into a triangle. If each triangle has the same length, what is that length? Well, how long is the wire? So this would be 8 and this would be 4. So 16 and 8 is 24. So the wire is 24 centimeters. And then we straighten the wire out. We bend it into a triangle where all 3 sides are the same length. How long would each side be? It would just be 24 divided by 8. And we would get 3 centimeters. Okay? You guys got it? All right, I think that's every type of problem. Get to work.